I'm looking for friend with benefits. Oh my god. Oh my goodness, 40. Hello. Last year talaga ka. You interested? Titan, hello. Karon lang. Ma-message ko sa iya congrats yawa nalipat mo ko. Titan. Yeah, it's yawa. Mga tulog ta kay magkumpisal pataog masasambahan kung unsa atong nabuhat kagapon. Oh, tsakto. Tsakto na. Miyaw. No, I said just yawa. Reason, reason, not you. I said just like I didn't greet Supergirl like yeah, pisti ka man. Charot. Robbie, how are you, Robbie? I'm old enough. I don't need to work, collect money every month from US government. Why you collect money every month in US government? That's me. How are you po? Why you collect money every month? Are you retired now? Tiger, are you retired? Let's. Jarvis. Jewel Flores, hello, yes. Ah, that's good. Good. Pero sa Pilipinas, parang every month ba yun yung pension? Ay, oo, every month pala yun. Sakto. Na, every month yung pension just lang. Pilipinas. Oo, no? Gio, it's called Social Security. Oh, that's good that you have that. Easy, hello. So, is this an easy money? Like you're not working daw. Tiger, love, low. I'm feeling lonely, and I hope you're gonna na. 966, hello. And I'm crying only 1.5 a month. Like 1.5 pesos? Or US dollar. Siyempre, your dollar. You're from US, so it's dollar. Dollar. So, it's good. And rather, you cannot work. You can just sit, lay down, sleep, eat, sleep, eat. Like that. Hello, yeah, right? Hold, please. Am I right? Hi, A. Hello. I'm feeling lonely, and I wish I could know. Frank, so I saved to go Asia in January. Oh, Homes, hello, go now. That's good if you plan like that. Hi, girl, okay lang na chat tayo? Hindi. Bawal ka mag-chat. Hello po. Mar, hello. How are you, Mar? Pasko, Leaf. Parang si Leaf to dati na baboy. Ikaw nga, Leaf. Lagi kayo mo si Leaf. But now, see now. O, diba? Hi, Akira. How are you, Mar? How are you?